Welcome to the new video guys. I'm your tech partner and here's the Logitech K480 Keyboard review. This is a pretty simplistic keyboard and it's obviously not for gamers. This is a general purpose Bluetooth keyboard and weighs in a little heavy. By the looks of it, you can see that this keyboard is not very long and it doesn't have numpad. There are 4 rubber grips on the bottom to help this keyboard grip to any surface. There's a dial on the top left and a long narrow hollow space in front and 2 buttons on the top right named PC and I. This dial on the top denotes on which device the keyboard is connected to. This keyboard can be connected up to 3 devices. The ease of use and design is what I love about this keyboard. This keyboard can be connected to an Android iOS device and Windows, Mac or Chrome OS device. There's a separate button labeled I for connecting this device to Mac and iOS devices, and the PC button basically connects to other devices. You connect it by hitting any one of these buttons and the keyboard will pop up in the Bluetooth window. Select your device and then it will ask you to type some specific word on the keyboard to verify it. I have the Xperia Z5, the Android smartphone which is connected to the keyboard as a second device, and the iPad which is connected to the keyboard as a third device. Now let's see how well the keyboard works and how smooth it is between these 2 devices. This keyboard can easily replace a Mac keyboard too. All the unique Mac keys are also present in this keyboard. The thing that I absolutely love about this keyboard is how they have implemented a unique design that holds mobiles and tablets on the keyboard. Without this unique design that holds our smartphones and tablets on the keyboard, it would certainly make our lives difficult by having to make a search for something to lean our phones against. I think these 2 unique things about this keyboard would make you choose this Logitech K480 keyboard over the others. Now coming on to the pricing. This device costs $36.79 on Amazon in USA and 1800 rupees in India. This keyboard is supposed to last you for 2 years. There are 2 removable AAA sized batteries placed on the back of this device that function it.